Spice cookies yield 2 dozen 2-inch squares. 2/3 of a cup of cinnamon crisp crumbs. 1½ cups of brown sugar firmly packed. Half a cup of butter melted. 1 cup of sifted flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 2 eggs. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Prepare fine crumbs from cinnamon crisp. Heat sugar and butter, stirring constantly. When sugar is completely dissolved and syrup bubbles up, set aside to cool. Sift dry ingredients and combine with cinnamon crisp crumbs. Beat eggs and add with the vanilla to sugar syrup. Blend crumb mixture and syrup together. Pour into a greased 9-inch by 13-inch by 2-inch glass baking dish. Bake for 30 minutes at 350° Fahrenheit or until a toothpick or cake tester comes out clean. Cut in 2-inch squares while still warm.